Hey, 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 Facebook friends. Hello, everybody. Happy snow day for most of us. How's everybody doing? I am just pulling you guys up on my iPad so that I can see who is hopping in. Come by, say hi. If you're hanging out today, I would love to see you. Join me for a little bit of pillow project here. Let me make sure I'm in the right place on my page, and then we'll get going. So say hi as you're coming in. Let me know that you guys can hear me okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, Elise. Hey, Nicole. Hey, Julie. All right, looks like I'm in the right place. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are safe and warm wherever you are, whether that be at work, at home. I am going to do a very quick pillow project and using some cool ink. So let me just get the camera turned down here and then I will get going. So we are making a pillow. This is just a black pillow cover, just a simple, like a canvas type pillow cover. Hey Sue. Hey Sandy. And this is the design that I'm going to be doing. Let me make sure I get you guys straight in here somewhat. This is a silk screen adhesive transfer. In case you guys haven't seen these before, pretty stinking awesome. They are reusable and they're adhesive, so they're completely different than a transfer. And as you can see, this design actually has the word home with a definition and the word family with a definition. And I am going to just cut it apart. There are lines in here where you can cut them apart, just like so. Pretty easy. And again, if you are joining us late or watching the replay, guys, and you've not seen this product before, type in info in the comments and I will send you a link to join my VIP group where I have tips and tricks and special deals and all kinds of good stuff in there, and you'll learn lots more about this product. So I am just going to do the word family and make sure I got the right definition of family right there. And I'm going to set these aside. Is everybody getting a lot of snow like we are here in Wisconsin today? A bit crazy, to say the least, right? Oh my goodness. I think Snowmageddon is hitting everyone across the Midwest, I'm sure. Let's see. I'm going to pull out my ink. We're going to be using ink today on this pillow cover. Hey. Pretty straightforward. I just have to peel these off. This is, like I said earlier, silk screen. It's adhesive and reusable. So these backing papers, you can mark front and back, or mark back on it so you know which way the transfer goes back on, just so you don't goof it up. I'm pretty versed in what side is the right side, so I don't bother marking it anymore. But if you need to, definitely do so with a Sharpie, and then you won't ever make a mistake, because if you put it on the wrong side, you will damage the transfer, so you don't want to do that. So I'm just sticking this down. I'm going to take the definition here and do the same thing. One recommendation I have is when the design is long or large, you want to actually pull the backing off from the back side versus the other way, because it could flip and stick back on itself. And these are extremely sticky, so you will not get them apart. It's very difficult to get them apart once they stick on themselves. So you don't want to make that boo-boo, because believe me, been there, done that. Yes, I have. And so let me make that mistake and correct you before you do it. Oh, hey Brenda. All right, so I have them stuck down And again, if you guys are joining late, please hit the share button in your lower left of your mobile device and share this out. I would greatly appreciate it. I am just grabbing a squeegee here. So we just use a very small rubber squeegee. We actually sell these. Hey, Kristen. The ink is permanent, and I'll talk to you about that in just a minute when I get done whipping this off here. I just want to make sure I'm doing it upside down so that you guys can see it right side up. So let me just make sure that it's centered and that nothing looks very crooked, because it's kind of hard when you're upside down. And I actually want to straighten out the words here. Let's see. So these transfers, guys, can be used on all sorts of different surfaces. Like I said earlier, they're reusable. So you can actually use them on wood. So if you wanted to make signs, you can use them on glass, metal, windows, mirrors, t-shirts, pillows like I'm doing today. Very, very, very versatile, and you get a lot of bang for your buck because of that. So pretty stinking awesome. And I have made lots and lots of good things with this product. So, all right, I think that looks pretty good, guys. Say hello as you're coming in, guys. Let me know if you're getting snow where you are. It's crazy. Shabby Daddy got up this morning before work and got on his ATV and plowed us out. And we probably had quite a bit, 10 inches maybe before he left for work. All right, so I have dipped into my, my ink here, my white ink, and I'm simply going to just start going over that silk screen area light-handedly. Just covering all of that open space, that open screened area. So if you think of like silk screening t-shirts, guys, this is basically kind of the same thing. These transfers are amazing, and we have a ton of different designs, and you can actually see my retail page at gochalkitup.com. But what's cool is because these are silk screen in design and not a stencil, a typical stencil, there is tons of detailing in a lot of our designs because of that fact. It's unlike anything on the market, simply amazing, and the results are amazing. So yeah, and I have, if you aren't in my VIP group, like I said, I offer special deals in there. You can get a sample. You can order a sample kit from me to try the product out yourself, which I highly suggest because you will be blown away. It is, it's pretty amazing. It's very addicting. I will warn you of that. But for DIYing, guys, I mean, there's just nothing easier and creates such a perfect project pretty much 99% of the time. And if there is a goof up, it's usually user error. It usually is user error. So like, you know, like using too much ink or using too much paste or, you know, something like that. So hopefully I am not doing that on this one. Let's see. So you don't need a ton of ink, as you guys can see, and I actually am able to scrape some back off into the jar. And then you got to do the finger check, guys, because you don't want to get ink where you don't want it, right? Because this is permanent, you don't want to make a boo-boo. So I always do the finger check before I pull the transfer off. And when you pull the transfer, you want to grab a corner, but then you want to kind of move towards the middle. So you want to go side to side or top to bottom because there is a bias in here like fabric. Or, yeah, like fabric. So there's a stretch to it. And you don't want to stretch your transfer. Okay? Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. finger check again, and then I'm going to rip off the definition here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, how perfect is that? You guys are on a camera, you're watching this, and look at how clear these teeny little letters came out. Isn't that flippin' phenomenal? Just like that, I can create a gift for somebody. I can create projects to sell. Oh my gosh, it's just, the ideas are endless, you guys. Think about somebody's getting married and you need to make a gift. You want to make a gift. It's so easy. Pillows are a great wedding gift. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now what I did is I moved this, I put it over into a bath of water, my transfer, because you want to rinse them off and then you want to wipe them with a disinfectant wipe. Hey Sue, isn't it cool? Yeah, it's awesome. And like I said, these transfers, guys, I could take this one now, wash it up, and I'm actually going to move this down so that you guys can kind of see my washing process a little bit. Let me move this out of the way and get a microfiber towel here so that you guys can see what I'm doing. This is how easy it is to clean these up and get use out of them again, guys. So I put this in water, okay? I'm laying it on my microfiber towel, and I am going to take a disinfectant wipe, just a, no name brand or Lysol, whatever you want to use, and you just wipe off the front side of the transfer after you've rinsed it off in the water. Just wipe it off real good. Flip it over. Now I've got the sticky side up. And using the disinfectant wipe helps take some of that fuzz that you got on there back off. And I like to hit mine with a blow dryer, or you can just leave them air dry with the sticky side up. Once they're dry, you just put them right back on your backing sheet, and it's good to go for the next project, okay? And here's the other piece, the definition. I'm gonna wipe that off. Isn't that awesome, you guys? Hey, Linda. Yeah, it's pretty stinking cool. And what's neat is I could actually do the other side of that pillow as well. I could put the home definition on the other side of the pillow. And then they've got double-sided. So when they want to display one side, they can, and then flip it over just for a change and show the other side. So I can do the home definition on the back side, which I think I will when this gets dry. But isn't that neat, you guys? And that's it. That's as easy as it is. You will get 8 to 10 uses out of these transfers, guys. So a lot of bang for your buck with this product. And like I said, there isn't anything like it on the market. And if you guys want to know more information, just type in info. And again, I will get you into my VIP group. But that is the quick project that I'm doing for right now. And since it is kind of a snowy, crafty sort of day, I am going to be doing several lives today, guys. So so stay tuned for some more. Probably do another one maybe in another hour or so. So if you're hanging out, you're stuck at home, hop on and keep me company, okay, guys? Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions, please post them, and I will get back to you. Okay, guys? Have a great rest of your day. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.